Alright, I took one trip. It was like 8 miles. They said it was less, I think. But it seemed like 8 miles. I don't like to transfer. It doesn't let me deposit it right in the bank. If you need gas, it sort of sucks. I'll do one more and I'm done for the night. But there's none in my area, so I had to drive a couple towns over to Dunkirk. Alright, I had this on for a few minutes. I don't know, I'm going to try it out the next couple days and maybe make a video, see if it's worth doing DoorDash. I don't know. So far, I guess you need a card. I didn't even get the card yet. So far, no orders. Lyft would be blowing off the hook right now. Compared to this, I think. Let's see, they screw you around for a week or two before they pay you on this app. They don't let you cash out, which sort of sucks. The runs, some of the runs weren't too bad, but it's like, you know, I need the gas money to keep going or something. Plus, too, I buy junk cars, so I need the damn money. That sucks. Look, it doesn't even let you transfer the money in your account. The button don't even work. And if you talk to the thing, they're busy right now until you do 25 rides and whatever bullcrap they want you to do. But to start this app sucks. Alright, I'm going to try the app out near Buffalo. I'll turn it on. It's on now, but I'm going to turn it off. So this is a couple more dollars. It takes forever on this app to make anything. It won't let you transfer the money. It's plus another 13 bucks, but probably 2 days. But not really, not 2 full days. It's just playing around. It's better than nothing, I'll tell you that. But it takes a freaking week to get your money, which pissed me off. So it ain't too bad of an app. But this ain't a big city either. This is just suburbs. So I'm sure you can make a lot more on this app. Alright, that's killing it. I'm going to keep playing on the app though, but I'm not going to keep recording about it. But if someone's wondering about it, it's some extra way to make money. Not that much, but something. Matters how much you put into it. It is what it is. You just got to find a good spot and hang out there, I guess. I think you can do better in better locations. Just, you got to find your spot.